That's all you know. Thank you. Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Plastic for now, put them in your pockets. When we get back, throw it away in the trash. If you have anything, fly away, such as hats, bags, even girlfriends, just hold on to them. Anything goes back there, I'm gonna turn it all into confetti because of the propellers. Anything falls in the water, say bye-bye to it. It will belong to the gators. You guys ready to go?
We're ready.
I'm gonna try my best to find them. If you see them, please keep your hands in the boat. Don't try to reach out, grab them, and take a selfie. Okay? Alligators really don't like selfies, especially when you make duck faces. They don't like that. Sounds crazy. Even needless to say, nobody does that, right? Wrong. About 6 years ago, we saw a lady trying to place a baby on top of a gator for a picture.
Oh, wow.
Crazy people do crazy things. Don't try to understand them. They're just. Now, go ahead and have a seat.
Oh, I know. Do it for the gram. Get your whole arm right off.
beautiful smile.
这小牙齿就是咬到也不会挤。
80 teeth. 40 on the top, 40 on the bottom. We are able to go through about 3,000 teeth in a lifetime.
3,000.
Right back. Now these guys also have a lot of power in their jaws. Okay, let me see if my buddy Rocky over here is in the mood to demonstrate that kind of power. Let's see. Rocky, come on now, Rocky, wake up. Come on, we gotta work. We gotta work, Rocky. Rocky's a little antisocial. Might work, might take a little work.
那个你的那个嘴巴呢，它站在那里可以不动的。那个嘴巴，你看站在那里像僵掉一样。
Yes.
See, that's why I don't use my hand. Look at that. Okay, that's actually a very small example. There we go.
Wow, that was so fast.
1,000 pounds of closing pressure that they have in their jaws.
Wow,
That's a
thousands
lot
of
power.
pounds.
And with that kind of power, they're able to break the shell of a turtle. Their main diet out here is fish, birds, and turtles. It's very effective. Always trying to get kids out. So they're able to do all that stuff, but these guys are born with a natural fear of us. Okay, they want nothing to do with us. But with that said, there have been accidents in the past between alligators and people. If you research those accidents, you're going to find out that the alligator has always been provoked. And what I mean by provoked is that at one point or another, somebody fed a wild alligator. Once you feed a wild alligator, that wild alligator is not afraid of anybody anymore. And that's how those accidents happen, okay? Now, a big question I get out here is what's the difference between the alligator and the crocodile, okay? These are all alligators here. Alligators have a round mouth. Crocodiles have a pointy V-shaped mouth, okay? Alligators have a tongue. Crocodiles do not have a tongue. The American alligator and the American crocodile, they tend to be the same size. But in other parts of the world, the crocodile is definitely much bigger and much more aggressive, okay? The nose, the nostrils, and right there, you're able to smell a wounded animal from roughly a mile away. Now, when an alligator gets into a fight, they are able to bring their eyes inside
I do
of
not
their
feel like
head,
holding this.
okay? That way, they don't lose their eyes in the fight. Here's what that looks like.
Ooh, he sure did. Oh, look.
It's absolutely disgusting, I know. But as you can see, it doesn't hurt them, doesn't bother them in any way. Again, totally normal. Those eyes go inside of their head during the fight, so they don't lose their eyes in the fight. These guys also have an extra eyelid that opens and closes sideways, okay? It's called the nictitating membrane. That extra eyelid, when they go underwater, it closes and keeps the water from getting to their eyes, but they can still see their prey underwater. So it works out fantastic for them, okay? Also, directly behind their eyes, even as I pointed out, it's really hard to see, but these little cuts right here, you can see right behind their eyes a little bit, those are their ears. Okay, I'll show you this guy here too. See right here, those are their ears. And when they go underwater, the ears also close up to keep the water from going in there. All right, now the most important part of the alligator's body are all these bumps right here. Those are called osteoderms. And the reason that the osteoderms are so important for them is because that's the part of their body that acts like a solar panel. A lot of times you see these animals just laying around under the sun, and what they're doing is generating body heat. They need to reach a body heat of 65 degrees or higher in order to digest their food. So if they eat something and they do not reach 65 degrees or higher, the food will stay in their belly, will rot, and it can make them very sick. That's why that part of their body is so important for them, okay? Well, with that said, are you ready to take a picture with an alligator?
Yeah.
For those of you that didn't say anything, don't worry. It's not going to be one of these. It's going to be a little guy. His name is Snappy. Never mind the name. I'm gonna go get Snappy now, and I'm gonna stand outside. Okay, so if you guys want to hold them, all you have to do is come see me. All right, just so everybody knows, the park does ask for $3 a person to take a picture with Snappy. Okay, I'm gonna go get him now. Let me have everybody please stand up and please make a line right here with the exit. I'm gonna meet you there now with Snappy in hand.
No, that's
You get real religious when they hold it.
give it to me.
Get ready for the picture fast. Oh my gosh, I'm so pleased.
You can do it.
What do you feel like? What's the texture feel like?
Let him go until you're ready, okay? Go ahead. I'm not gonna let him go. You let me know when it's okay.
Nice and calm.
Go now.
I got it.
You got it? Got it? Great job, great job. Ready?
All right, mom here. Mom here.
It just feels like a, you know, those gator boots you used to wear back in the day.
She's just kidding.
You would say that before I hold it.
I look so scared.
We'll give it to the man. Am I gonna hold it? Okay. Mom, hold it. Okay. We're here.
You go ahead.
Oh, God.
I don't know how to work this.
You guys are gonna see her on.
I won't let him go until you're ready.
She's gonna go.
Not bad,
She
Mom.
gonna. No, it's not bad.
It's scary as well.
It's not. It's not bad, Mom. YOLO. No. Yes. It's pretend like it's joy. Next. We tried. We tried. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you. There you go.
We need a man.
Thank you.
Oh, you're gonna do it.
Oh, you guys could have came out.
So much for coming, all right? So 3, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let me try.
Mom.
It was like a weird feeling. I can't describe it. Something I never had before.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Getting money from the alligator.
Thank you. That was what?
Sounds like a baby?
Yes.
I don't know what
A weird sound.
Right. Well, how we get out?
How we get out of here? This way.
For one day. Right. That's awesome.
She would have dropped Snappy. Snappy would have been ran back and jumped in the water. I'm free.